Hello. I am back, and I decided instead of Roblox, I might do a little bit of coding. So I am doing the Scratch coding, seeing how it's gonna go. So I things to try. I can animate a name, make it fly, make music, race to finish, hide and seek, fashion game, create a story, Pong game, let's dance, catch game, and virtual pet. I think I'm going to create a story. So, first of all, you always start here. You always start here on a blank piece with a cat. If you don't want that cat, just want to tell you, it's a sprite. So, click here. Do you see my little mouse here? Click here. And pick another one. So, maybe I want... Let's see. Let's do people. So some people that you might want to be, let's say I want to be a princess. So I have my princess here. But your sprite, your kitty cat sprite, will not go away. So you have to click on here and press delete or backspace. Okay, I don't know how this is not working. Oh, okay. Right up here, if you look right here, it shows us scissors and it means delete. Go here and click that. Sorry, I messed up a little. Now you go to this. So we might call this, let's go to Beach Malibu. So if I'm right here, she'd be walking right here. Now, she is going to... Okay, so first you have to say events. When flag clicked, flag over here, say... So what should I say? I should say... Oops. Oh my gosh. Okay, this is not going well. I'm gonna do my stuff and you just wait here. Okay, so apparently I don't know why it's not letting me erase the hello, but I'll just show you. So when you got this ready, you have to press the flag whenever you're ready. When you press the flag, it goes like this. Hello, for 2 seconds. You can change it. Apparently it's not working with my computer. Yep, it's not working. So, wait. Okay, now maybe. Nope. Okay, never mind. So then you can have like a bunch of characters, and yeah, so I can also pick Abby. Press OK. Abby will be right here. She can say hello. So let's go. Okay, so you have to go to events first. when flag clicked, say hello. Hello. Both of them say hello. So you can have more than one. Okay. Let's try virtual pet. Let's see how that goes. Okay, I've never done this, so I'm gonna see if I can do it. My backdrop can be, let's say, probably what they used. Outdoors. So I'm gonna probably do bench with view. Okay, that's what I want. I don't want this sprite, so I go over right here and delete it. Now I'll get a new sprite. Okay. Animals. Oh, I'll take the puppy, the cute puppy. Puppy! Okay. When flag clicked, okay, 1583. So keep that in mind, 1583. 1583, 1583, 1583, 1583, 1583, 1583, 1583, 1583. Okay, fine. Okay, let's see. Okay. Yeah, this is it, and then you can go over here. I don't know. Basketball. Basketball goes boing, 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 boing. Okay, let's try something else. Leave this page. So I really don't. I'm gonna try something else. So instead of scratch, create. Oh my gosh. Okay. Five to 8. Right. Okay, I'm doing course F. Try now. Okay, so I'm just gonna continue because I know what I'm doing. Okay. So let's see. When run, move forward, move forward. There we go. Okay. And then turn right. Move forward, move forward, move forward, move forward. I'm gonna see how it goes. Okay. Again, if I'm going too fast, then just pause the video and try to figure it out yourself before I do it for you. Challenge puzzle. Challenge puzzles are lessons designed to stretch your brain. Just do the best you can. Skip for an hour. I'm ready. I think I'm ready. Okay, I memorized it. So forward. Oops. Okay. Forward. Left. Forward, forward. Forward. Wait, move forward, turn left. Move forward, move forward. Turn right, move forward, move forward, turn left, turn right, move forward, turn right. Move forward, turn left. Okay, so that was a long thing, but I think I can do it. Did it! Okay, so I did it. Oh my gosh, that is a lot of TNT. So forward, right, got it. Forward, right, forward, forward, oops. Right, forward, right, forward, okay, right, forward. Okay, this might not go so well. I'm not very sure about this one, so I'm just going to try it out. Okay, so maybe that extra one